Okay, YouTube, so this is how the stock exhaust from 2017 Honda Grom sounds. This is aero. Let's see, let's ride it. That's how it is. And then we're gonna show you how to install a new exhaust. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, we're gonna show you which bolt we're gonna take it out. Okay, so we can remove the stock exhaust. So this is one of them. Okay, this one, and there is one inside right there. That's the one right there. Okay, that's another one, and we have two right here. It's gonna be this one and this one, these two nuts right here, and we have one more at the other side to the bike. So you can see the chain right here, and the bolt what we're gonna remove is that one right there. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then we're gonna remove it. Okay, let's do this. Another one. So then we can slide this one out, and voila, this is the other. Wow, it's heavy. Okay, so this is what we're gonna get in the new exhaust Danmoto XG-1. We got the exhaust, we got the mirror pipe with the clamp, we got 2 brackets right here. We got another 2 long spring and 2 small spring. This is what we're gonna use. Okay, and this is the pipe, the longer pipe that goes from the engine. Okay, so let's put it on. Okay, so we're gonna start with this big pipe first. So everything is ready now. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it's gonna look after you install. This is the clamp right here, springs, and another bolts right here. Oh, that looking nice. That looks pretty nice. Make sure this one is not on the way. Okay, I think everything is good now. So now it's time to start it up for first time. Let's hear how it sounds. Getting excited? Let's do it. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is so crazy. It's really loud. I love it. It's nice. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna do the test drive after the new one. Let's see what's the difference. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe my channel and like this video. We're gonna come back with more videos with the Grom, and thanks for watching.